Imagine a dish that tantalizes your senses with an orchestra of flavors. Picture succulent pieces of chicken, their golden crust crackling with every bite, revealing juicy, tender meat within. The aroma of spices wafts up, a tantalizing blend of sweet, salty, and spicy, hinting at the culinary journey that awaits. This, dear listener, is the art of Chinese fried chicken, a dish that marries tradition with innovation, creating a symphony of flavors that is hard to resist. Now, let's delve into the creation of this gustatory masterpiece. Begin with the star of the show, fresh chicken. Choose bone-in pieces for the best flavor. Marinate them in a blend of soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and ginger for at least an hour, although overnight is ideal. This imbues the chicken with a deep, savory flavor that forms the foundation of the dish. Next, prepare the batter. In a large bowl, mix together all-purpose flour, cornstarch, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Now comes the secret ingredient, ice-cold water. The temperature of the water is crucial as it prevents the formation of gluten in the batter, ensuring a light, crisp crust. Once the chicken is marinated, dip each piece into the batter, making sure it is well coated. Then it's time for the magic to happen. Heat a generous amount of oil in a deep pan or wok till it's shimmering but not smoking. Carefully lower the chicken pieces into the oil, frying them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. While the chicken is frying, whip up a quick sauce. Combine soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and a dash of chili flakes in a saucepan and simmer until the sugar has dissolved and the sauce has thickened slightly. This will add a tangy, sweet, and spicy kick to the chicken. Once the chicken is ready, drain it on a wire rack to get rid of excess oil. Then, toss the chicken in the sauce, ensuring each piece is well coated. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and chopped spring onions on top for a final flourish. To summarize, Chinese fried chicken is all about balance. The savory marinade, the light, crispy batter, the spicy, sweet, and tangy sauce all come together to create a dish that is as complex as it is delicious. Remember, the key to a great Chinese fried chicken lies in its preparation. Marinate the chicken well, ensure the batter is light and crispy, and don't forget the sauce for that extra kick. And there you have it, Chinese fried chicken, a dish that promises a culinary adventure with every bite.